Alright, so we're playing
Already
Stalker.
gone.
Oh no! 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 Where are you?
Why don't we get a shotgun? I hate this gun.
Help me.
Where are you?
One thing.
Where are you,
This is
fishy?
how I help you. This is how I fucking help you, Jerry.
What?
Follow me.
I was shooting you. Stop it, stop it.
I love your reaction.
Oh no, go Jesus! Oh my god, I almost didn't move in time.
Fucking behind you.
He's up here. He's somewhere up here.
I'm 2 weeks from
Where
retirement.
am I? Where am I?
I'm 2 weeks from retirement.
Oh, because I was stuck in the...
Ow.
No!
You're fucked, Jerry.
No! I refuse. I don't want
Too
to.
bad you don't give a damn.
Don't do dirt.
Ah! Dang it! Screw you!
Oh, he's just picking me up. Guys, get on this building.
Let's fucking do it.
I'm not gonna do it.
I think from dying.
Don't even do it. I'm not.
The building has to come on here with us.
I hope you die, you spaz. I hope you die.
My last one? No.
Yeah, I'm on the.
Technically, you are the last
one.
Nah, I'm good.
Oh, hey.
Told you I'm on it.
I see you, but...
Okay. Oh, the door opened. Oh no, the door opened.
Pressing it! It won't work! The button didn't work! The button didn't work!
Splash.
Guys. Oh wow.
Wait, who's left?
It's a glitch. Just hit the button. Just hit the button. It's a glitch.
There's a button. Alright, there's a button right here.
Yeah, the button right there.
I like how I did that.
Aww.
I just picked you all off.
Aww, come on.
Sean, you're way too blunt about how you go about what your job.
What do you mean?
How? You just try and kill them.
Yeah,
Don't
oh, you
do it
died.
right.
Is that you? Yeah, it's you. Yeah, I killed you. You're
Sean.
my only threat. You're my only threat.
Sean,
I'm going to stay in my corner forever. You can't. No, you guys can't come into my little home. No! 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 No!
Hit the button. Hit the button.
Don't hit the button. Sean, how far away can you
Oh my
grab
gosh.
from?
I am dizzy.
Sean's on the bridge. Sean is on the bridge.
Yeah, I see him. Hit it.
No.
I saw him. Wait, no, he's not. He's somewhere over there.
He just killed a man.
Happy campers.
Oh, there's Ned. Oh, both of you.
Press the button. No, don't. Never mind.
Yeah!
No!
Victory!
No!
Victory.
No!
Where do you get the shotgun from?
You have to.
We almost got him.
Yeah!
Yeah!
I started shooting him first.
Woo!
I'm on the bottom.
Yeah!
Yeah!
I will kill you all again.
How are you
The
again?
Stalker has been a women
It's the
waiter.
person who kills them. Person who kills them. Or random sometimes. Well, we were all like, let's all shoot in circles. Guys, let me in. Guys, let me in. He's in here. Nah, he's not.
Did he get in? I
No.
don't think he got in.
Nah, I'd be able to see him.
Okay, good. Hey, do any of you guys have crosshairs?
What the fuck?
Damn.
Yeah.
Oh,
myself?
what the heck?
I think I killed myself.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I guess if you target something, it can't be through glass.
Sean, no. I forgot to tell you that I think if it hits you at all or touches you at all, it does kill you.
No way! Let me
But-
live in peace!
Apparently, you can't kill things through
Damn it.
glass. Like you can't target things with telekinesis through glass.
I guess.
Okay.
Everyone's to the tower.
No! Stop! I couldn't. Alright, Ronnie's a faggot and needs to die.
Where'd he go? Where did he go?
Oh, here's a shotgun. How do I pick this up?
Oh my gosh, is this like Sean's body or something? No! 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 Oh,
Whoa,
what?
just happened?
The gravity,
What
why?
What is that? Like, is that good?
No, why? The
I
can't
needed to
jump
secure
at
a
all.
kill.
What just happened?
I think
You
you just
changed
killed
the
me.
gravity.
Kill all you guys?
Yes! Thanks
You
a
have to
lot.
get the credit for the kill. You'd have to get one more hit on it. Let me get this thing off. Wait,
Oh,
there you
now
go.
I see Patrick and he's moving.
Patrick's here?
Patrick is awesome.
Yeah, dude. Oh god. Whenever I can get you from this.
Why are you credited with it? I hit him more than you did!
Yeah.
Seriously, I was fucking following him as a man.
Alright, guys, Gary, go to a changing room.
Go where?
No, kill me. Go to a changing room.
Okay.
Man, that's one shiny piece of equipment. Don't stop it. Fucking look at how shiny that bitch is. Patch bling.
Ow.
Alright, so changing room.
Jerry,
Where is the changing room?
Jerry, are you off by yourself or are you with everyone?
I'm off by myself.
Alright, stay there. I see you. I'm literally in front of you. Stop moving. Stop fucking spinning!
Okay. Are you in front of me?
Oh my god, I'm literally right in front of you.
You are? I can't see you this time. I think I do. Finally.
Yay!
Gary, he has a lot of health.
I'm the Stalker.
Next time, give me more time. Everybody
Gary.
break it down.
Is the one scream rule still applying?
Wait, what?
Is the one scream rule still applying, guys?
I guess.
What is the one?
You can only use one scream or mind flay.
We should give him 2 screams.
Alright, 2.
I mean, no, one of each.
No, either 2 screams or you can have 2 of either screams or mind flays. And it can be a combination of both.
How about I use both? As I will, because fuck you. I'm muffin.
Gary, you can hear him.
What?
Okay.
Are you moving around?
Yeah.
Sean is a homosexual. Fuck, it's on the stairs.
I got him. And he'll put up some items. You just click it and choose it.
How do you target
Hitting
someone?
fucking F2.
Huh?
How do you target someone?
Like, you have F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, you put up 6. Press it one. Is that Sean? Yes, that's Sean.
I'm fucking shooting you, like
Just making sure. Oh, there he was, right there. Upstairs.
Apparently I'm
There
taking
we
the
go.
kill.